everyone, this is Rashmi Vilas from Department of Commerce, ST College of Management, and today we'll be discussing about staffing. Staffing is a very important function of management as men constitute the organization at every level and it is the only dynamic factor of production. It is not very difficult to handle any material resources, but without the efficient use of human resource, management can never accomplish the end objective of the undertaking. Even in those industries where automatic machines have been introduced, still labor is regarded as the dominant factor of increasing the productivity. Hence, human resource plays a vital role in every undertaking. That is why detailed study, knowledge of staffing is very important for the efficient and smooth running of any business organization. So let's discuss what actually staffing means. Staffing is the function which includes the process by which the right person is placed in the right organizational position. That is, staffing always solve the problem or give a systematic approach towards the question of selection, training, motivation and retaining of any human resource management and organization, as the success of any enterprise depends upon the caliber and motivation of its employees. So staffing basically means the process of acquiring, deploying and retaining workflows of sufficient quality to have a positive impact on the organizational effectiveness. So these are a few of the definitions given by expert authors on staffing, and both these definitions show that the appointment of employees is the chief function of staffing in an organization. But apart from appointments, it is still more important to keep these posts filled for a long period by persistent efforts. So staffing does not merely means appointment, but it also solves the problem of retainment of the employees for a longer duration of time. It is very important for the organization that the right type of person is employed and they should be given adequate training so that wastage is minimum. So for this, staffing plays an important role in any form of organization, and let's discuss these importance one by one. The first importance is efficient performance of all the tasks. Staffing is the key to efficient performance of all the managerial tasks, since in any organization, if competent personnel is not appointed, the performance cannot be done properly. So for proper planning, organization and controlling, a competent person should be appointed. Next importance is effective use of technology and other resources. Now, what is the relationship between staffing and technology? Well, it is the human factor that will help the effective use of latest and advanced technology, capital or material. So the management of organization ensures that the right personnel is appointed for the performance of staffing work so that he should be eligible to use such advanced technology. Next importance is motivation of human resource. In any organization, the behavior of any individual is influenced by various factors, which could be the level of education, needs, socio-cultural factor, any other. So staffing is the factor which focuses on all the human aspects of the organization, and importance is given to all the factors which influence the motivation level, and the employees are motivated by financially or non-financial incentives so they can perform their task and the organization objective could be achieved. Next importance is reduction of cost of production. See, staffing also plays an important role in reduction of cost of production. How? Because it helps in appointing the right person at the right time on the right job. So no wastages, no mistakes are made by the skilled personnel during the production of the products. Hence, it is very clear that if the right person is appointed, the cost of production can be easily reduced. Next importance is job satisfaction. Staffing is an important source for job satisfaction of the employees because through this system, personnel are allocated jobs according to their ability, talent, qualification, and expertise, which provide employees more satisfaction about their jobs. As a result, they give their 100% effort behind every job or project they have been given. And the last importance is fulfill the present and future needs of employees. See, staffing is very important to meet the future as well as present situation or vacant positions of the employees, because it gives a clear picture to the organization as how many posts will be vacant and new posts will be established in the coming year. So the organization can fill those vacant posts and start a new position by appointing qualified candidates. Thus, it is clear that the employee meets the present and future needs of the future employees in the organization. So these were few of the importance of staffing. The last topic of my presentation is scope of staffing. The staffing function is wider in scope than mere acquisition of any employee. In fact, it covers the process of not only developing executives but also providing them fair compensation for their work. Moreover, staffing is a continuous function and not only performed at a newly set up organization but also at continuous or big and old organizations as well. So let's discuss the scope of staffing one by one. The first and foremost scope is hiring. See, staffing is the key to efficient performance of any organization work, as it provides right person at the right job. So the first and foremost scope is to select the right man at the right job at the right time. Next scope is motivation. Employees must create right kind of climate to contribute to the achievement of organization objective, and this environment can only be created if the employees are highly motivated. So staffing focuses on the incentives which could be provided to their employees, be it financial or non-financial, so that they feel motivated and they can perform their task properly in achieving the organization. Next scope is employee maintenance. Staffing does not only focuses on meeting the present need of human resource but also provides a clear picture as how many posts will be vacant in the near future or how many new posts could be created in the organization to achieve the objective. So it is clear that employees' needs of the present as well as future for an organization can only be depicted if we have a good staffing process. Next is maintenance of human relation. Staffing plays a major role in establishing unity and coordination among employees because it provides the job according to the ability, talent, competence and expertise of the employees, which incorporates them in their task and ensures healthy and cooperative human relation in an organization. Next is remuneration. Every employee is placed according to their capability, skills, expertise and knowledge, and they are placed at their respective post, and hence their remuneration, their jobs, their salaries, their perks have been decided according to their capability. Plus the incentives are also decided according to their motivational needs. And the last scope is training and development. See, employees need to be polished time to time because there will be technological advancement and new technology is coming in the business world day by day. So with the efficient and proper training and development of the employees can be made capable enough to use any kind of advanced technology or change in capital nature or any material, and hence the organization can ensure the right type of person to perform such tasks with the advanced use of technology. Hence training and development is also one of the major factor of staffing, which improves the morale and the capability of the employees. So this was all about meaning, importance and scope of staffing. Two very important function of staffing is recruitment and selection, which have been explained in my other video which I have shared with you. But I would like to conclude by saying that staffing has been recognized as a distinct and important function of management only in recent years. Earlier it was thought that it is only a mere part of organization function. But as human resource have overpowered every technology or every aspect of organization working. So the efficient and great staffing process is an important element for success of any form of organization. So I hope everything is clear with you all. Even if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.